Hi everyone, this is Priyan again with another video. I hope you guys are doing good. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about little bit about country stuff. I am not a very much like trendy person on politics or religion. I don't like that, and I don't even talk about religion or politics because they are out of my mind, and I know that that topic is not for me. But as a citizen, okay, as a citizen, I can talk and I have the right to talk about my country or about where I am living. So, as a citizen of my country, I mean, from Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh, so let me talk about Bangladesh a little bit. To be honest, Bangladesh has provided lots of facilities for the citizen. Obviously, it developed a lot previously, like 10 years. In 10 years, I have seen lots of development. But to be honest, there was something that I really want to focus on, that every country has corruption issues and mostly citizens suffer. People, citizens, all are suffer because obviously the corruption is in some countries it is high, some countries it is not. But fact is, when government don't hear the citizen, but it is democratic country, then is like it feels that you have, as a citizen, you don't have right to share your opinion. I think I have talked about in my one of my video about, which was about free speech, that we are not allowed to talk about freely as a citizen. And most importantly, when I came here in Ukraine, the first and foremost thing I have faced as a citizen, foreigner, that if you are a foreigner in in any other country, people try to take advantages, which is true, and is not about government. People take advantage on behalf of government because you don't know the rules of government, so that's why they try to take advantages from people, to be honest. So I'm not going to here, I'm not going to talk about like government is taking the advantages or no. Ukraine government obviously provide advantages, and in fact I want to say that Bangladesh government also provide lots of advantages for the citizen, facilities for the citizen. But the fact is, the people, those who are corrupted, they just snatch other people's money all the time. Even they just create problem in among the citizen. I don't know, but I feel that I can share my opinion here, and I'm free to talk about that. As a citizen, like I one thing I want to mention here is recent news. Um, Due to pandemic coronavirus situation, Qatar government provided some facilities. I mean, which what can I say? It's like they provided money for the Bangladeshi people, those who are living in other countries, because people are facing crisis. So when I ask embassy of Bangladesh about that, they say that people just highlighted those part. I mean, government provided money, but the ratio of money is totally like insane low. I mean, I have heard that it is for 3 months per person is only $10, and uh, reality is something different, because there are different ways when you get that money. I mean, that is, I forgot the exact revenue name which is called like help. Maybe I call it help. So what I was being told that $10, so and it's not for everyone because there is a list, and there is a list obviously, and not everyone is going to get that money. So I asked them that, okay, fine, then what about others? If they are provided 10,000 or $1,000, then you are going, if per person is getting like $10,000 and per person get like 1,000, that a calculation. So I said, then what about other people? They say that they does not even care. It's about the news, what you are hearing, that they are, Qatar government provided money for Bangladeshis, but they only provided the money where biggest community of Bangladesh has, in which country, like they mentioned about Greece, that there live 50,000 Bengali people, but in Ukraine, as there is maybe 500 to 1,000 Bengali people, so they haven't provided that much money, but it is highlighted on the news, on media, that they provided money, but they did not provided the money. This is the reality. But the fact is, this is so insane that where the money went, we don't know where the money went. That's one I want to share, that there is nothing called like people's right. As a citizen, we never always get our rights, what we actually deserve. That's all I want to say. So thanks a lot for watching. See you on my next video. Bye everyone.